Hoppo about to climb back into the pig skin. Once he does that, we'll be underway. There's no sign of the red light. There must be an issue over there with Brief Buzz. The others stand up well. Just in the saddle now, Benny Hoppo. They're ready and they're racing. And Wide Out Niggle was the first to go and he hit the ground running. The top weight's in front at the end of a couple of hundred. Western Rebel is punching through on the inside to be in a forward spot. And not far away, Vision of One off in the middle. Running third now is Turning Stone. They've got Brief Buzz 4 wide as they go into that first corner. And after pinging out of the gates, the top weight Niggle, he's gone back to last. Western Rebel, he's going fast in front. He leads by 2.5. Vision of One. Turning Stone's moved up on the outside of it, being tracked home by Brief Buzz. And 3 to Niggle, who's last of all. They've gone fast here. Western Rebel's gone like it's had a fire ant fastened to its freckle. It leads by 1.5 lengths on Turning Stone. Brief Buzz has come up 3 deep and they look the main players. Back on the inside, Vision of One can't keep up, and then Niggle. Turning Stone out in the middle of the track, sailed past Western Rebel at the 150. Brief Buzz on the outsides after Turning Stone. Turning Stone's in front with 100 to run. Gladwin rides hard and the big chestnuts bounded away from Brief Buzz and Vision of One. And an easy win. Turning Stone by 2.5 to